Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create a new website for your e-commerce merchandise. So some of you have taken a leap of faith and have got on the side hustling train. Now you have this merchandise that you would like to sell and promote. A lot of you guys have been asking what you can do to promote your products, things like that. Well, the first thing you can do is create a website to display it professionally online so you have a nice professional online presence. So today we're gonna get started by creating a Wix website step by step so you can have your online business and have a professional online presence. All right, let's get going. All right, before we get started, I want to also remind you guys that there are lots of scammers in the comments constantly pretending to be me, and they might look like me. They have my picture, they have my name, and now they even have a check mark by their name. But if you click on their screen name and you go to their page, you will see that this is a fake profile. I will never message you talking about go to Telegram, join me on Bitcoin, or message me on WhatsApp. If you see that, that's a scammer pretending to be me. I will never do that. Feel free to report so it gets deleted quicker. Hello, my name is Theo, and on this video, we're gonna be talking about how to build your own Wix website step by step without having any kind of web design experience. This is super beginner friendly. I think most people are gonna be able to figure this out with these steps. Wix is an awesome platform. They have an extremely intuitive software and platform that makes building your website straightforward and streamlines it so you do not need to have any experience or anything. So I want to thank today's sponsor, Wix.com, for sponsoring this video and making sure that you have all of the resources you need to start a website today online with no experience, even if you have never built a website before. Like, you know you have made it when Wix contacts you to sponsor your video, like, we made it. Thank you, Wix, for sponsoring this video. Let's get on to the tutorial. The first thing you're gonna do is go to wix.com/catmothertheo. No, it's just Cat Theo store. Wix.com/Cat Theo store. But once you go to that website, you're going to click create a website. I skipped ahead one step. And then once you get to here, you're gonna have all the different kinds of websites you can make. The last one, we made a portfolio website. If you haven't seen that, to showcase your experience, you can click this link here after this video, of course. We're gonna create an online store, so that's what I'm gonna create, because there are so many different products now that we have our t-shirts, we have our low content books, we have our digital products. There's so many things I've put out in front of you guys that you have now, so you can put this online to start selling this on a website. So we're gonna create a template because we're not gonna be doing the most today, okay? We're gonna go through a template. You can scroll through all of these beautiful templates that Wix has for you. There's pages on pages. You can also use the search bar to find templates. Like if you are having your t-shirt business, a lot of us have done t-shirts. You can use a clothing template here, and you can just find the best ones that you like. I am like pretty basic, so I like the first one that I saw. You can click view to see a live demo of it, or you can click this full view full demo if you want to see the entire one, but I've already seen it. I like it. So all I'm going to do is press this edit button, and now we're going to start creating our website from scratch. From a template. This is from a template. All right, so here is the overall template of the website I picked here. You have your menu bar at the top, you have your picture, and then you have all of the different products that they sell on their website, which looks like pillows. You have your about, and then you have another picture and a contact me, and then there's a footer here. So we're just gonna start from the top and work our way down. So far, just by looking at it, the menu looks fine to me. I'm gonna change the picture to something that, you know, fits more of what I'm gonna be doing. So I'm gonna just click image here, and then click upload media, upload from computer. Then click the file you want, and then now it's gonna load. Click that, and then click the button change background, and now it's going to populate in your background just like that. It's like magic. All right, so we have an element here, and I'm gonna put the title of what my website is gonna be, the products I'm gonna be having. So I'm gonna do Side Hustles Compacted, and then I'm gonna change the little text here. Okay, so it says where side hustlers are made. I thought that was kind of cute. So I'm gonna change the color now because I wanted to match kind of the leaves in the background. So you're gonna copy the text and click the color button right here, and then pick a color that you find so lovely. I think that actually looks nice. And then I'm gonna change the line color as well. You can change the thickness, but I'm just gonna change the color. And then we're gonna do that for the text here as well. All right, I think that looks great there. So now we're gonna move down to where our shop begins. This is where the big finale starts. Now we're gonna do our shop color. You can change the font here. I kind of wanted something a little bit bolder. That works for now. And then for the color, I'm gonna do the same thing, use this green color to match my shop. All right, so now the main purpose of the shop is we're gonna manage our merchandise, the stuff that we have to sell to our potential customers. So you're gonna click one of the pictures here and you can click Manage Products. Okay, on the right-hand side, you're gonna click New Product. So my product is a digital file. It's a digital product. If you have a physical product that you're gonna be shipping out, and they give examples here like shoes, t-shirts, a skateboard, then you click physical. Mine is actually gonna be an ebook. So I'm gonna click digital file. The first thing you're gonna do is title your product. So the first one I'm gonna do is, I named it, now I'm gonna upload the actual file. You can see that it can be an image, all these options. I'm gonna do a document. This isn't the actual file, it's just an example. Okay, so go to your computer and you're gonna find the file that you are gonna upload. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be having a compacted list of different side hustles as far as jobs that are known to hire only remote, jobs that are specific to certain kind of industries that people are looking for, like people that only want to look for virtual assistant jobs. I'm compiling a whole list of research that I put into to find all of the companies that hire virtual assistants to help people streamline and make things faster so they don't have to be searching for hours and hours on the internet. It's all in one specific place for them. So that's gonna be what my product today. So ribbon here is something that you can put on your product, like on sale or discount or closeout or new arrival. So I'm gonna do new because all of this is new. You're gonna click your ribbon, you're gonna add a price. I'm gonna do $25, and then you're going to add a description. So I'm gonna do that very quickly, real quick. Off the cuff here. All right, so you can format this any way you want, do different colors, you can bold it. I'm gonna see how I like that. So the next thing below, you can add an image of your product. So I'm gonna have to upload that. And at this point, I'm gonna bulk upload everything so I don't have to go one by one. So I'm gonna bulk upload all of my digital products. So if you have a bunch of t-shirts or books or whatever you have, you can upload them all at once, which is awesome. So I'm gonna find the picture that's the right product, and then I'm gonna press add to page. Here, if you have a product that has multiple images, like if it's a physical product, you can add them here. If you're selling any kind of copyrighted material or something where, like, for example, portraits or art, you can add here information about licenses for your customers. If you have something that's limited stock, you can click the track inventory button. So you can, every time somebody buys something, it goes down so you can track these kinds of things. If it's a physical product, you can also put your SKU and your weight for shipping so your customer knows. So all of this for me doesn't apply. So I'm gonna go ahead and press save. So you're gonna wanna add a payment. So click add payment method. And you can accept many different kinds of payment methods, PayPal, credit card, debit card, or manual payments through like cash. I'm gonna just do the recommended one, which is credit cards and debit cards, but I'm gonna come back to that. But you're gonna just connect that and follow the prompts. All right, now you can see my very first product has been uploaded. So I'm just going to really quickly take my time to do the rest, and then I'm gonna come back here to show you it, but you just follow those exact steps. All right, I'll be right back. All right, so I have all of my 6 little products here. So you can see there's the first row, there's 2 rows. So you can see that there's still other products from the template. So I'm gonna show you if you don't have enough to fill the whole space, what to do. So you're gonna click Manage Products. Okay, so we're just going to bulk select these because none of these are our products, it's from the template, and then you click the delete button. From there, you can continue as normal, adding your new products as you click this blue button. So we're gonna go back now for that to auto-populate for us. And you can see now that we just have our own products. So I'm gonna change the ribbon. The ribbon is the little tag here. We're gonna double click it, and we're gonna go to Design, and then we're gonna scroll down to Ribbon, Color, and Opacity. Ribbon, Opacity, and Color. And we're gonna click the green that is the theme of the website, you know, so it's all cohesive. And if you don't have that many products yet, you can go to Layout and you can do columns and just do 2, for example. I'll show you what that does. Now, when you scroll down, it's gonna make the image, your product, bigger so that it fills more of the screen. And I actually do kind of like that, but yeah, I think we're gonna do it like that because we only have the 6 products currently. But you can play around with any of these to get exactly what you want. So definitely explore. Wix has so many great features on here. Just play. It's like a big play box, just like play in there. All right, so this is the About section. I'm gonna change the color of the background. Click Change Strip Background because it's a strip. I'm gonna click Color, and I'm just gonna go to this pink color. It's pretty simple. It's feminine, you know? And then I'm gonna click Fonts. I kind of want a more bolder, prominent font, so I'm gonna just look for one real quick. And then I'm gonna go in here and change my text real quick. Okay, I'm gonna like leave that actually. We're just gonna pretend we changed it. Okay, you can change these little vectors. Yeah, I'm gonna change them and then come back. So let's just keep moving. We have our final picture here. We're gonna click Change Strip Background. We're gonna go to our image, just like we did before. We're gonna upload media, upload from your computer. You have all these other options if you have it on your Facebook or Instagram. And then I'm gonna click Banner 2. Okay, and then click Change Background, and now it's gonna auto-populate for us. All right, and now we're gonna move down to the bottom where your Contact Me page is. I'm just going to do pretty much the same, change the color, change the font, and keep it rolling. I chose a preset on here. It's kind of like a light green. I think it's like pretty, so we're gonna keep that. Okay, we're gonna move down to our footer now, and we're gonna change the color to that lovely pink that we picked earlier. All right, we have our website. So we're gonna scroll to the top so you can see the whole thing. I forgot one thing up here, that is the menu. So let's just fix it real quick. Okay, so I like what I did on the last tutorial we did, so I'm gonna keep that same theme, and I'm just gonna customize the hover because I think that is the most coolest little feature they have ever. We're gonna do a pinky color, and then when they click it, it's gonna be like hell. It's gonna be hella pink. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, so you're going to click Settings to change the color of your cart, and then you have your icon color. You can change the kind of icon to make it look, you know, different. But yeah, I'm just gonna change the color because I think it looks great. Okay, so we're gonna start from the beginning, the top. Here we are. Click the preview button to see the full website. So now we're at the top, and you can see everything. You have your home bar here, you have your banner, and it has this feature that when you scroll down, it like kind of comes with it. I love that feature. And you can see all your different products. You go down to your About Me section, and then you have your final picture. And then you have your Contact Me for anything someone might need. All right, so I'm going to right now connect my payment information, which is so that my potential clients can actually pay me for the products, right? So I'm gonna go back into Editor real quick and do that real quick. Okay, so you're gonna go back into Manage Products, and you can see here that it's giving you a little warning that you need to add payment information. So I'm gonna add that really quickly. And I'm gonna connect, credit card and debit card. Then you're gonna read through all of this, make sure that you're not selling any products that are associated to any of these things. So I'm not. So I'm gonna click, I'm not selling any of these prohibited items. And then I'm gonna click continue. Okay, you're gonna click upgrade so you are able to connect the payment information. I'm going to do the most popular, which is Business Unlimited. You can read through all the different features here to see which one fits you best. And you can pay yearly or 2 years. I'm gonna do yearly. Okay, you're gonna put in your credit card information and then press submit purchase. Now we gotta get a domain name. All right, so I love the Wix brand name, but I do want my own. So I'm gonna see if Side Hustle Shop is available. It's taken. Okay, how about Side Hustle Stop? Yes, it's available. Okay, Side Hustle Stop is gonna be my new website. So I'm gonna click Get, Submit and Purchase. All right, sweet. So the next thing you're going to do is find this little shopping bag where it says My Store and click that. Click Edit Shipping Rules. The reason we wanna do this, if you have a physical product that you're gonna be shipping out to people, you wanna make sure that you're shipping it to everywhere that you're able to ship to. So for example, if you have a business in Kenya and you only wanna be shipping to neighboring countries or in Kenya, you wanna be able to change the shipping rules. So my default's the United States. So for my case, this is fine, but they also have international. So if you're not gonna be shipping international, you just click this off. Right now it's set to free shipping, but if you want to change that price, right now it's defaulted to free shipping. You can do a flat rate, change the rate by the weight, rate by price. There's so many different options, and you can also sync it with USPS to calculate your rate if you are in the United States. So I'm gonna do a flat rate. You can change here the name of it. For example, if you're always gonna be shipping it standard, you can type standard shipping. And then here you just put your rate that it costs to ship your item. You can also add local delivery, local pickup. It really just depends on you and your business, and you can press save. So another really cool thing you can do, if you go back to edit shipping rule here, you can also add certain destinations here. So if you have a neighboring state, like, okay, country, for example, I'm next to Canada, you can type in Canada. So now you can ship to the United States and you can ship to Canada if that's what you want to do. Okay, great. So now that you have your shipping rules, you might want to be adding sales tax to your products depending on where you're selling. So if you want to add sales tax for your specific state, you can click settings here and then scroll down to tax. And this is how you're going to manage your tax. So a really great feature that Wix has is you can check by your country, you can check by your state, but they also have an automated system with Avalara. All you have to do is click automate your tax and then click start now. So if you want to get your tax automated, you can click, read through the terms and then click continue. And then now you're going to enter your business information. All right, so once you're done, you're just going to click create account. So now with Avalara, what they do is they automate your rates, which will be added on checkout based on your tax location. So it makes it super easy for you to do that. So that's the simplest way you can do it. And you just click got it. And then if you want to go back to settings here, you can see all the different options you have for your business. You can apply what different things work for you. Like you can update your checkout policies. You can go into invoices and quotes. There are just so many options you have when going through here. So definitely take a peek at your settings and add things that are useful for you. Another thing, if you need a new email connected to your new store, you can get an email. There's so many things you can do. So now we're at the end. We're happy with our site. So now it's time to click the publish button and you're done. So I'm clicking publish. Oh my God, it connected. It just, the first tutorial, if you remember, did not go that well. So this one's, we have our beautiful website, it's done. And so now I'm just gonna take the time to pretty much finish out those little details, like getting my little vectors, getting my about me, and that's it. So thanks so much for watching this video. Hopefully it was a fairly good tutorial for you to set up your online store, e-commerce. So now what you can do is you can take your products, put them on your website, and drive traffic to your website to purchase your great products that is going to bring lots of value to lots of people. Once again, thanks so much for Wix for sponsoring this video. I will see you guys in the bloopers. I'm sure there's gonna be a lot on this one. Bye. All right, on a side note, can we take a second to look how cool about this place is I'm filming today? Like, take a look. I mean, do I look at this one, this camera, or this camera? There's like so many cameras. Do you hear that dog? There's like a dog over there that's been whining for the last like 15 minutes. I don't know who left their dog in the room by themselves. It sounds like a husky though. Anyways, let's see if I can get this intro out. So today we're gonna be creating a Wix that would be, that was a long one. Hopefully, very shortly, hopefully, oh my God, what am I saying? It's a super, I say super a ton of times, okay. It's a super, I guess, super. They have an extremely, building your next website, super straightforward, super. The first thing you're gonna do is press record tab. I appreciate you and okay. Let's get on to the first thing you're gonna do is upload the actual, oh no, okay, sorry. We're gonna move down to our header here, footer, that's a footer. And so we have the banner, people go, okay, let's preview, click the preview button. Sorry, that was aggressive. Continue. What the heck? This is gonna be a mess. Click publish just to go live with your latest changes. That's what we wanna do. That's what we wanna do.